Through MyRSU, you can access everything related to your academic life. Class schedules, timetables, grades, e-study materials, email, e-databases, and study course evaluation. You can also apply for scholarships and manage payments, all in one place. The MyRSU sidebar is your shortcut to all the tools you need. Please use this as your primary navigation hub. You can also customize MyRSU to display what's most useful to you, such as your study schedule, advisor contact information, and even maps to your course location. Set it up your way. Timetables display your entire study semester schedule in daily and agenda view. The agenda view is the most commonly used and most convenient, as it shows your planned lectures organized by day. The schedule is your day-to-day planner, displaying your lectures in a monthly format. To make things more convenient, download the Office 365 application on your phone and log in to access your lectures on the go.